First, the team of Miranda Alize, Tessa Blanchard, and Laura James and Heather Monroe, the Killer Baes. And now introducing their opponents, the team of Rachael Ellering, Shotzi Blanchard, Kris Wolf, and Britt Baker.
The action starts off hot and heavy right here.
Wow, yeah, we had a standoff, like a little, shootout at the OK Corral. Now we switch it up. A little rotate action.
8 women.
All right, rotate.
8 women, 4 corners, all chaos.
I've been to a party like this before now, and everybody rotates, everybody gets a little bit of something from something. 4 attacks, 4 bays. I think that's what they call themselves. They're all bays on the Killer Baes side, and now they're all on the outside. Miranda Alize, Tessa Blanchard, and Laura James, and Heather Monroe, the Killer Baes. Look at this, we've got some step-up fun. There goes Shotzi, and there goes Kris Wolf.
They go flying on the outside.
And Britt and Rachael Ellering are left in the ring.
We're just getting started here.
She shoots Heather Monroe in. Oh!
Bit of a
version of a 3D.
Version of a 3D, hooks the leg, but
oh my gosh, I thought that was it.
That could have been it.
Wow.
Maybe on anyone else but Heather Monroe. One half of the Killer Baes able to kick out, but Britt Baker keeping her in that front face lock, very, very smart.
Yeah,
keeping her in that corner.
Cut her off too.
When you got 3 other women in your corner, it's very dangerous over there.
Kris Wolf now, monster reaction from the patrons of bar wrestling. Monster energy. She's got a wolf's tail.
She's pointing it out.
Oh no, Heather Monroe's got the tail. Hey Heather,
Step over tail hold. In between the shoulder blades, Heather Monroe is vicious.
Oh yeah, yeah, she is not to be reckoned with. Killer Baes. Drop toe hold into the butt. No. She's biting her. Kris Wolf is biting Laura James.
Like, if you want the posterior, then you're going to pay.
Miranda Alize tags herself in. Ooh, kick to the stomach. That cuts off the momentum.
Jaws of the wolf.
Firecracker. Howling at the moon tonight, and it was a full moon last night here in Los Angeles, California. Ooh.
my first time seeing this young Miranda Alize.
Miranda Alize, bright red. Just in case you weren't sure who you were watching, Norman. Kris Wolf with the Wolf's tail. Ooh!
Now that was a shot.
Miranda Alize is not here to play. I didn't even mean to rhyme that, it just happened.
Kris Wolf is swinging a miss.
Wow, oh my gosh, drop kick to the knee, and that could have blown her knee out.
Miranda Alize went downstairs.
Miranda Alize packs a lot of punch. She's not very tall. She might be the shortest one in the match.
She's got a low center of gravity.
Yeah.
It was very
God.
smart for her to take this match to the mat.
And a low blow from Kris Wolf just stopped Miranda Alize. Britt Baker now, roll up, nice maneuver. Britt Baker from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Oh, she gets rolled up the same way. No. Britt Baker goes for the cover, but no, she wasn't high enough on the shoulders to get the pin.
These two women are very evenly
Trip her up.
matched.
Oh, Britt kicks out. Britt's up, gets a pass by from Miranda. Goes behind her, spins her around and socks her.
An elbow right in the jaw.
A couple more elbows, just for good measure.
Irish whip. Britt Baker. Okay, she goes downstairs. Britt Baker makes the cover, hooks the leg.
Super kicks. Oh no.
And Tessa Blanchard. What a rival! What a rivalry here. These two.
Tessa picks her up by her skull, and Britt fights it off. Oh, low drop kick.
Yeah, Britt keeping her eye on the ball. Not being distracted.
Oh, wow. Drop Tessa high on her neck. And now Britt tags out to Shotzi Blackheart. Shotzi Blackheart with the green hair.
It's like a box of Crayolas in there.
Wow. That took me a second.
Beautifully done, man. All four of these women giving it everything they got.
A couple of sling blades from a couple of killers. That's two, no.
Could not keep Tessa Blanchard down, of course. Tessa Blanchard, one of the best. Wow. One of the absolute best. No doubt about it in anyone's mind.
Ooh, Tessa looked like she tried to leapfrog that kick, but instead she actually got kicked.
Can Shotzi get her off her feet? Not yet.
Yes, almost.
Tessa using the ropes there to keep herself in a vertical base.
It's like chopping down a tree. Oh, and Tessa with the shotgun.
Tessa's got the power.
Shotgun, get it done. Come on, Shotzi. Ooh, Tessa, nobody throws a shot like Tessa. Ooh,
those powerful legs. That kick.
Good.
You do not want that to happen to you when you're in the ring with Tessa Blanchard.
You know, when Tessa doesn't get that 3 count, she doesn't go to the ref and bitch. She just gets right up and goes back to work.
She puts her in a front face lock and brings her right back over to her corner, which is what a ring veteran does.
God, these girls are beating the shit out of each other. And the patrons of bar wrestling are eating it all up.
I'm a big fan of the Killer Baes. They are a throwback to me of the classic days of women's tag team wrestling.
They're straight out of Glow.
Judy Martin, Leilani Kai, even before that. The no-nonsense style.
A little bit of nonsense. Bronco Buster, but that is going to hurt the solar plexus, and those double knees aren't going to make you feel very good.
Well, the important thing is that she's keeping her in the corner there, where she's in big trouble.
And don't forget that Laura James, her butt is made of steel, and she attacks with that thing at will.
Hey, you better watch your butts.
Hold on to your butts.
Hold on to your butts.
Hold on to your butts.
I was close.
It's close enough.
Shotzi now. Oh, I thought she was going outside.
Oh, I know what's going to happen here. This is a patented Tessa Blanchard move. Drop kick to the back.
You could hear the impact as it's smacking right against her back. And Shotzi somehow gets that shoulder up. A lot of fight left in her. But again, she's in the wrong part of town. Not where she wants to be. There's 4 women in that corner.
Miranda Alize with a kick to the stomach of Shotzi Blackheart. Runs her into the corner. She's going to run her into the other turnbuckle.
Oh, my goodness. Hard into the buckle. Here comes Miranda.
Oh, God, a drop kick to the arm, and that arm's going to be bruised tomorrow. I know it.
Here it is. Yes.
And the patented fuck you before a move. God, I haven't seen that one before. Rolls her up. 2. Oh, no.
Notice she hooked both legs, trying to get all of Shotzi.
Yeah. I guess when they shout "fuck you" before a move, it gives them more oomph, right?
It's disrespect. Mind games. Wrestling is 90% mind games.
Speaking of which, Heather Monroe is spending a little too much time playing mind games. Shotzi with the roll-up.
Very, very impressive.
Nicely done, but not enough.
I think Heather saw that coming.
Kick to the face of Shotzi Blackheart. Shotzi Blackheart is taking a beating.
That's going to draw the ire of Kris Wolf's team. Britt Baker and Rachael Ellering. Rachael Ellering we haven't seen in the ring yet.
Now the Baes they've got the advantage here. Britt Baker's trying to get in. Oh, see that? Right in the butt. Hold on to your butts.
Okay, but Rick Knox really out of position there.
Yeah, what the fuck,
That
Knox?
looked like 3 to me.
Come on, Knox.
2.5 at least.
About to go on Facebook and post about this. These referees need a talking to.
Tessa now back in the ring.
Oh, Tessa with a kick to the stomach
Yeah,
of Shotzi Blackheart.
Shotzi's been in there too long, especially in a match of this nature where there's so many women.
I mean, there's too many. There's too many for Shotzi to fight back, and there's not enough for her to win right now. She needs help from her partners, and Rick Knox keeps going over there and stopping her. And you know what? Tessa Blanchard is doing an excellent job of cutting off the ring right now.
You've got a completely fresh Rachael Ellering waiting to tag in here.
Yeah, she hasn't even been in there yet, and she is ready for action.
But Team Tessa has really, really been playing this game as best as you can play it.
Wow.
Keeping Shotzi in their corner.
And Tessa makes sure to keep her shoulder up off the mat. Otherwise, this would be a pin for Shotzi Blackheart. There's a butterfly underhook. Tessa Blanchard with 3 stars on her boots, representing each generation her family has in this business, in this art form.
And a star on Shotzi's trunks as well, for good measure.
Oh, wait a minute, there's a tag to Rachael Ellering.
Here comes Rachael, look out.
Fresh Rachael, oh, and there's another bicycle.
We've seen Rachael and Tessa go at it before, and now Rachael with a power slam. She's a house of fire, coming in hot.
Ooh, misses the kick. Ooh.
Senton right to the chest, hooks the legs.
Now Tessa Blanchard trying to crawl to safety, pulling herself up.
Rachel's been itching to get into this match.
Flying forearm.
She loves to fight.
Oh, and there's an STO. Rachel now takes a moment to breathe. Oh, she's spinning leg drop. Did she get all of it though? No, she didn't. She didn't get enough to knock Tessa out.
Ellering's got some new moves in her arsenal since the last time I was able to see her. She's such an impressive athlete. But right now the Killer Baes doing what they do best. Double team. Right in the eyes.
Poke to the eyes. And they're cutting off the ring again. And you know, for 4 women who have never teamed together, they are working efficiently.
I think Miranda's biting Rachel's hand.
Oh no, Rick Knox, you're missing that. Gosh, is Rick Knox blind?
He's got a tough job tonight.
Yeah.
It's already 150 degrees in this place. And
There's Heather Monroe.
Those long legs.
Oh yeah. Perhaps the longest.
Using them to choke out Rachael Ellering in the corner.
And the patrons of bar wrestling are coming alive for Rachael Ellering, who is really in a bad way.
Laura James now continuing to stop the flow of oxygen to Rachael Ellering. Punishing blows by Tessa and Miranda. And now Tessa Blanchard and Rachael Ellering. 2 of the best right now in the wrestling world.
There it is, lung blower from a precarious position in the corner.
I think she got her in the face though.
It's a face blower.
Maybe right on the jaw possibly. Rachael needs that tag.
And you know, earlier in the match I said Tessa doesn't bitch at the ref, but now she's bitching at the ref.
Tessa's team is doing a much better job of cutting off that ring. And in an 8-woman tag, that's so important.
Oh wow, Tessa just very smart. She attacked the women on the apron. Now she brings Rachael Ellering over for a lopsided attack. Referee Rick Knox just can't seem to win in this one. Uh-oh. Hold on to your butts.
Using that Teflon posterior.
Nickel-plated posterior.
Rachael now inching ever so slightly. There she makes the tag. Kris Wolf is in.
Miranda Alize swings and misses.
And Kris Wolf's got the wolf's head. Wolf's head.
Ooh, cut punt. Oh, and high kick. Kris Wolf goes down. Britt Baker with a super kick.
Britt Baker's sick of standing by and watching. She wants to get in here.
Tessa Blanchard gets pushed out of a DDT. No. There it is.
That was right on the money.
I want to call it an RKO, but it's an ace crusher. Ooh!
And that was a spine buster.
Wow!
Rachael Ellering disposing of Tessa momentarily. The power of Laura James.
She just dumped it.
Yeah.
Ooh, Shotzi with a low missile drop kick. And now Miranda Alize stopped. Oh,
I don't know why she was stopped.
It's hypnotic.
Another one. We've been seeing the ace crushers tonight.
That was more like a flying stunner.
They are variations of the same move. Everyone has their own devastating version. Miranda's got in her back pocket.
Ooh, Kris Wolf misses, and no, she doesn't. Oh, man. Ugly fall. Kris Wolf gets the victory.